Hi, sweetheart. You okay? Come here. Come here. Come here. I know. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit in my car. You sit warm, okay? You sit warm right here, okay? You sit warm, okay? Yeah.
Oh, thank God.
You sit warm right here. Are you okay, sweetie?
Hi, baby girl.
I'm trying to get on the air. You're okay. She's okay. She's okay. She's getting warm. You're okay, baby. Edward 632 at F. Start me 4355. Stand by.
Where's she here? I'm sorry.
Oh, thank God.
4501 Indian School. We found them 10:30.
My heart.
You okay, babies? Okay, it's okay. You stay warm, okay?
We'll get your mom right now. You get her?
Oh my gosh.
You're alright, babies, okay? Get the heat going on there, okay? Get the heat. I got the heat on full blast, baby. You cold?
37 feet.
Yeah, the
That's the floor. Are you hurt? With the 10:30. No? Okay.
Edward 632 out of pity. Just be advised, 10:30 looks to be 10:4, but she's very cold.
Pine tree.
10:4, sorry.
You're okay, babies, okay?
Her face is warm.
Yeah, you're okay, babies, okay? We're gonna put this hood on for you, okay? She was just sitting right here. She's okay. Yeah, do you have a...
Oh, sweetie. Oh, good job, guys. Good eyes. Oh. Are you warming up, sweetie? Oh. Good job. Good job. Good job, guys.
I'm not surprised you found it.
Good job.
I just looked over. I was watching them, and she was sitting right here. She was sitting right there on the curb. And I was watching these guys go,
Well,
and I just...
you ran across someone. I'm like, Indian School's the perfect place for her. She forgot water. Okay.
Good eyes, bud. Oh, yeah, we probably... Okay. I'll call Moose because I'm sure they're all scattered too.
Does anybody have any water? No water.
Do you have any water, Sarge, in your truck?
Yeah. Hey, water?
No soda. No soda. We have water for her. We have water for her. Just keep her nice and warm.
Here, do you want another jacket to throw over?
Make sure she doesn't move her arms. Keep her still and don't let her move her arms so the blood doesn't rush back to her heart where she's cold.
Do you want another jacket over?
Yeah.
Here, throw this one. It's put the batteries free.
Here, here's another coat.
Yeah.
We got some water too here, bud.
No water yet.
Here you go.
Okay.
Here's some water for her.
Sure.
EMS just went 5-6.
Oh, okay. Got you. Fourth, and how long's it been?
It's been several hours.
Do you have, she's been out since at least 8:30.
Oh, good God.
Do you guys have, do you have a card still so you don't get cold?
Oh, I'm good, brother. Yeah. I got my honey. Hey, babe, give me your Coke.
She's just sitting on the curb. She's just sitting on one of these things right here.
Dude, I drove by here 10 minutes ago. I didn't even see her.